We all have common tools around the house, like a drill, lawnmower, and tape measure. But what if I told you there were more modern versions that could make your job up to 10 times easier? Some could be considered the future of innovation. Imagine diving into the world of thermal imaging with the Fluke TIS 55 Plus and TIS 75 Plus cameras. Experts in revealing the invisible, these thermal imagers work their magic for construction workers, mechanics, and other professionals. From temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius to highs of 550 degrees Celsius, these cameras reveal the hidden world of heat and energy. With built-in memory and the ability to explore with SD cards, these thermal cameras are like visual diaries that can effortlessly store thousands of images. With 3.5 hours of battery life, the TIS 55 Plus is your constant companion in your quest for thermal truth. But the TIS 75 Plus goes even further, offering more than 4 hours of continuous operation. As you consider these options, keep in mind that these technological marvels come with a price tag of $3,650 and $6,400 respectively. Are you ready to enter the fascinating world of thermal visualization? From thermal heights to rooftops, we present Bumpa, a roofer's treasure. Nothing beats lifting tiles and heavy materials as easily as child's play. The Bumpa system makes this vision a reality for dedicated roofers who want to simplify their work. As you traverse roofs, Bumpa becomes your faithful companion. This ingenious system not only lifts tiles with ease, but also simplifies debris removal. But that's not all. Bumpa is available in 2 versions, the bold power of gasoline and the quiet efficiency of electric. Both can lift up to 80 kilograms, turning the challenge of weight into an easy task. Can you imagine using this innovative tool at a height of 9 meters? And here's a surprise. The gasoline-powered PMPA version, your faithful ally in the heights, can be yours for just $137. Ready to raise your standards and turn every rooftop into a win with Bumpa? We continue with Stop Digging, a system that revolutionizes construction block by block. The Swedish visionaries introduced Stop Digging in 2012, and since then it's been a standout in the construction industry. After all, who said building a solid foundation had to be complicated? Imagine building your fortress without pouring concrete or digging for stability. These piles are reusable, that's right. You can build, dismantle, and rebuild, just like playing with large building blocks. On the other hand, Marshalltown remains the leader in simplicity. This lift is the perfect solution for those looking for innovation in material handling. Capable of holding loads up to 150 pounds, it acts like a giant, taking the weight off your shoulders. It effortlessly handles those massive 4x8 sheets, treating them as if they were sheets of paper. But that's not all. The Marshalltown drywall lift can tilt sideways up to an impressive 65-degree angle. However, this innovative lift comes with a hefty price tag of $1,624. But don't they say every masterpiece has its price? Next up is the Leicester Comet 700, which stands out as a masterpiece in waterproofing and geomembrane welding. While its $15,000 price tag may seem steep, the Comet 700 is the epitome of efficiency. A digital system is the master, precisely controlling the temperature, adjusting the welding speed, and applying the right pressure. The Leicester Comet 700 is not just a machine, it's one of the most compact and lightweight in the welding world. With the ability to work at impressive speeds of up to 26 feet per minute, the Comet 700 is a lightning rod in the construction world. When it comes to precision in cutting concrete, the AGP CS11 is your best ally. It's not just a chainsaw, it's a precision tool designed to tackle the toughest concrete. Capable of cutting into concrete up to 12 inches deep, the AGP CS11 is a master in the concrete universe. Its built-in overload and overheat protection ensures that the tool always operates in optimal conditions. Should a problem arise, an LED indicator lights up as a friendly warning in the midst of a challenge. But precision is everything, right? The AGP CS11's built-in levels ensure accuracy with every cut. All this power comes at a price of $1,357, a perfect investment for those who want to cut concrete with professionalism and efficiency. The floor is waiting to be transformed with tiles, and this is where the Batapav Pulse shines. Tile laying is no longer a daunting task. Powered by a 2 amp-hour battery, the Batapav Pulse acts as an assistant, keeping cables tidy and allowing workers to move with ease and precision. Its built-in suction cup makes lifting tiles up to 55 pounds effortless. But the uniqueness of this tool doesn't end there. The Bad-Pav Pulse's uniquely shaped plate makes it easy to work in corners. All this charm is available at a reasonable price of $196, a perfect investment for those looking to take their tile installation to the next level. And if you want to stand out from the crowd, you can't afford to miss the next amazing tool you're about to discover. When the floor is ready to be marked, Rust-Oleum Construction Marking Paint is the contractor's first choice. This fast-drying paint acts like a fast brush, allowing for quick work as it dries in an impressive 5 minutes. Can you imagine the efficiency of contractors marking their territory with paint that sets quickly on the job site? Versatile and bold, Rust-Oleum paint adheres perfectly to asphalt, gravel, grass, and dirt like an artist skillfully choosing his canvas. Can you imagine the freedom of expression with over 30 colors to capture the perfect vision? The standard M1400 can, with its 482 grams of color, covers more linear feet than many alternatives, acting as a can of paint that never runs out. And for those who want to take their vision even further, a batch of 12 M1400 cans can be yours for $58. Ah, the impressive Malco HC1 and HC2 hole cutters. These tools are not just accessories, they are the masters of cutting in the world of galvanized steel. With their ingenious design and interchangeable parts, Malco cutters are like exquisite swords, slicing metal with amazing precision. The HC1 drills holes from 51 to 305 millimeters, while its counterpart, the HC2, offers diameters up to 508 millimeters. Best of all, there's no wear and tear to worry about, as these cutters come with durable replacement parts. At a price that won't break the bank, the HC1 is available for $67, and its larger counterpart, the HC2, can be purchased for $94. Are you ready to equip yourself with these tools and embark on the quest for perfect holes? Now let's switch gears and talk about Quick Brace, a master of quick clamping. Imagine working with up to 5 boards at once, and Quick Brace holds them securely and accurately in place. Forget about frustrating alignments or annoying tapping noises. This tool does it flawlessly, almost like magic. So why choose Quick Brace? Because there's nothing like it on the market. And what does this miracle come at? For just $1,650, you can own this tool that'll change the way you approach your projects. It's time for the Optima Chisel Plane. This tool stands out as a professional among woodworking planes, a small miracle that defies expectations. Can something smaller outperform its larger competitors? The Optima Chisel Plane says yes, and invites you to take a closer look. Although it's more compact in size compared to its counterparts, this tool is unparalleled in quality. Made from high-quality steel, don't let its small size fool you. The natural wood handle adds a touch of elegance that sets it apart from the crowd. Now for the million-dollar question, is it worth the $120 investment? Are you willing to pay for the quality, precision, and durability that the Optima Chisel Plane offers? Or do you think there are better options for that price? Speaking of the LevelFix LF manual screeding system, prepare surfaces for tiles, pavers, lawns, and more. Gardeners choose it to tame and level their beds. The LevelFix LF is not just a tool, it's your gateway to perfection in the world of leveling. The LevelFix series is the favorite of experts in the art of leveling. These models are masters at handling surfaces up to 3.1 meters wide. And guess what? You can adjust not only the width, but also the height. Are you ready for the precision of the LevelFix LF? With a working width of up to 1.25 meters, this master tool can be yours for $12,290. Does that seem like a fair price to enter a world where every surface is a leveled masterpiece? Now get ready to experience power at its best with the Pro 122 TSB. Imagine an engine that roars with awe-inspiring power, a 4-speed transmission that propels you at the speed of light, and a construction so rugged you'll feel like you're getting into a sports car. But we're not talking about cars, we're talking about the Pro 122 TSB, the drill that redefines what it means to drill with power. With the ability to work with hollow bits up to 120 millimeters and twist bits up to 31.75 millimeters in diameter. Need to tap reverse threads up to M30? The Pro 122 TSB does it without flinching. With a monstrous 2300 watt motor, this drill is like a tireless marathoner of power tools. But don't worry, the control panel is so easy to use, you can control this exceptional drill even with gloves on. So how much does it cost to have this Titan in your hands? For $3,300.52, you can take home the Pro 122 TSB, the drill that'll make you feel like the pilot of a rocket ship on any project. Without a doubt, these are the kinds of innovative tools that everyone wants to have in their hands. They not only make their jobs easier, they do it in the blink of an eye. So tell us, would you use any of them?